Welcome, and follow me is a Amazon Fire phone, and today I will show you how to block a number. So to get started, we're going to open up the phone app, and from here either can choose a number that you already have in like your call history, so either a number calling you or you calling the number, or you can just input it manually and then save it, I guess, and choose to block it. But we're gonna assume that the number called you or you called it, and what you can do now is just have a number in history calls, just swipe it to the side and you will see right now decline all. So once you tap on it and confirm it, as you can see, all further calls will go directly to voicemail. So once you confirm it, it will now be basically dropping all calls from this number. So that's how you block it. And if you want to unblock it, you just do the same thing, but now instead of decline all, you will see allow. You just tap on it and now the number is allowed to call you again. So this is basically how you block a number, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.